Ready to get your Tennessee life and health insurance license? This guide covers the entire process, step by step. Tennessee offers a unique advantage for new insurance producers. First, there is no state income tax on wages, meaning you keep more of your commissions. Second, and most surprisingly for many, Tennessee does not require state-mandated pre-licensing education. This was made effective on March 21, 2023. While self-study is legally permitted and you can schedule your exam without completing a course, a structured study plan is still strongly recommended to ensure you're prepared for the exam's difficulty. The Tennessee Life and Accident and Health exams are administered by Pearson VUE. Each exam consists of 68 scored questions plus 9 unscored pretest questions for a total of 77 questions. You'll have 105 minutes, or 1 hour and 45 minutes, to complete each exam, and the required passing score is 70%. The fee is $55 for a single exam line, but you can register for the combined life and accident and health exam for $80, saving you $30. To pass, you must know the official content outline. For the life exam, types of policies and policy riders, provisions and options are the two largest sections, each making up 22% of the test. For the accident and health exam, types of policies is the biggest area at 24%, followed by policy provisions, clauses, and riders at 22%. A significant portion of both exams, about 21 to 22%, is dedicated to Tennessee-specific laws, making this a critical area to master. The licensing process follows a clear sequence. First, study the official content outline. Then, schedule your exam with Pearson VUE. After you pass, you must wait 48 hours before submitting your license application through NIPR, which costs $50. Next, you must submit fingerprints for a background check through IdentoGo using the specific service code for insurance producers. Once the Tennessee Department of Commerce and Insurance reviews your application and background check, your license will be issued. Remember, exam scores are only valid for 12 months. Mastering Tennessee-specific laws is essential. This includes understanding the powers of the Commissioner of Commerce and Insurance, rules on unfair trade practices like rebating, and the protections offered by the Tennessee Life and Health Insurance Guarantee Association. For example, you should know that the Guarantee Association covers up to $300,000 in life insurance death benefits and up to $100,000 in cash surrender value. These state-specific details account for over a fifth of your exam score, so don't overlook them. Once you're licensed, your work isn't done. To maintain your license, Tennessee requires producers to complete 24 hours of continuing education every 2 years. 3 of those hours must be in ethics. Your renewal deadline is the last day of your birth month. Every 2 years, the renewal fee is a flat $60. You'll also need special product training for things like annuities and long-term care insurance before you can sell them, which counts toward your 24-hour total. Ready to start studying? Our comprehensive Tennessee Life and Health exam prep materials are completely free and cover every topic on the official Pearson VUE content outline. Work through the study guide at your own pace and drill your knowledge with practice questions to walk into your exam with confidence. Visit openexamprep.com to start now.